program to read any alphabet and check for vowel or consonant. So look at line number 1. We use the input function to read the data in string format in Python, and the variable is x. So look at line number 2. We use if condition and in operator. If x in. Look at that, A, E, I, O, U capital letters and A, E, I, O, U small letters. The ending is missing here, and the bracket is open. It must be closed. If the condition is true, it is vowel, otherwise it is consonant. You can write the program in different ways. Look at this notation, and here the variable is char. The variable can be anything in any programming language. Look at the condition here. If chr dot lower in AEIOU. So why dot lower? Means whatever the character you entered, you are converting into lowercase and checking for vowel. If you don't want to use the function inbuilt function lower, then you can write if char in AEIOU and of course capital AEIOU also. If it is true, it is an vowel, otherwise it is not an vowel, means it is a consonant. So we used an inbuilt function. Lower makes an input lowercase to handle both uppercase and lowercase. We have lower as well as upper. So if you don't want to use the inbuilt function lower, then there in AEIOU add capital AEIOU also.